What goes well?
Oh, just a little thing. I'm picking something up.
Sounds important.
Yeah. How are you holding up?
Kim told you then?
Only 'cause she didn't want me bothering you. I won't tell a soul. Kim's been very protective.
I know, surprisingly so.
Is it? Your family?
Yeah, but not by choice.
Does it matter? I was on my own when I lost my lad. You wouldn't want that. What you're going through, it's brutal. I had no kin then, but I do now. And it's made all the difference. Can't have too much family.
It's just through here.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, hi.
Hello. This is my mother. Agatha, is everything all right?
This lovely young man gave me a lift up from the cafe.
Yeah, I couldn't work up the new machine, so I just grabbed you one from Brenda.
And I grabbed him when I knew he was heading up here.
Why?
Well, I thought we could all go together to collect your little lad's ashes.
Oh, you come in and all. I thought it was just going to be two of us.
Well, I know, but I just wanted to be there, like I wasn't before. Collecting those ashes is very important.
Yeah, it is, Agatha, so we best get going. They're expecting us. I'm sorry, Kim, we're all going now.
Mummy!
Gentle, Millie, OK?
Come here.
Is your tummy still poorly?
A little bit, sweetheart.
Did Daddy give you too much ice cream too?
Right, well, what do we think? Refurb?
Brilliant, yeah. But do you think we should be wearing camo gear and carrying hunting rifles?
Your mockery is noted. Millie, verdict?
It stinks.
Traitor!
What, you mean the paint, Millie?
It's smelly. Does it make your tummy hurt worse, Mummy? How do we make you better?
Come here, you. You're all I need.
Now, why don't you choose before Brenda gets back from the loo?
Cake.
Sure. Or, instead of that cake, I'll let you switch on the Christmas lights tonight.
Me? Why?
Because your grandma has spent a huge wad of cash sponsoring the most spectacular light display this village has ever seen.
And I can turn the lights on?
If you forego cake for breakfast.
Both.
Neither?
I'll take the lights.
Right, Brenda's taking too long. I think I'll hold off on the coffee.
How will you cope?
I'm very determined when I have to be. Right, race you to the car. We had a deal.
What deal? Graham, talk to me.
Staying silent isn't enough for Kim. She wants me to move away and never see Millie again. I can't do that. I should have told you yesterday when you asked if Kim was threatening me.
You knew then?
No, not really. She promised not to fight the divorce and give me half of everything if I kept quiet about Millie and left for good.
I thought you weren't after any money.
I wasn't, until it was offered up on a plate. I told her she had a deal, gave her my word. I thought it'd be easy to stay clear from this place and just move to another village nearby. See if you wanted to come too. I mean, I know it's still sort of new, but...
Well, it doesn't feel new. It just feels right.
You could keep on working here. Nothing much would change except where we lived and our bank account. And I'd never have anything to do with Kim again. Perfect, right.
What went wrong?
Millie.
You saw her?
At the playground. I tried to walk away. But then she grabbed my hand and I knew. I knew I couldn't let go.
If she's yours.
She has to be, doesn't she? Why else would Andrea avoid finding out all these years? I need to find out if she's mine. The solicitor said...
Wait, hang on. You've seen a solicitor, yet you're only telling me now?
I never want to keep anything from you, but I needed to get my head around it before I involved you.
OK. What did the solicitor say?
I need to get DNA proof before anything else.
Are you really doing this?
I wasn't looking to have a child. But I can't turn my back on one.
Graham.
Harriet, me again. The lights in the village seem lovely, but I paid for magnificent, and you're cutting it a bit fine to bring out all the big guns. So, call me. Reassure me, or reimburse me. Hey, great to see you up and about again. How you feeling?
Like everyone can stop asking me now before I clobber them.
Too right.
I was just telling her about your lights thing.
My ridiculously expensive, spectacular.
Yes, that. It's at 4 sharp.
Yeah, I really don't think I can make it, Kim. I'm sorry.
But Millie's guest of honour, babe.
She's switching on the display to end all displays.
How amazing do I look?
About as amazing as the lights will.
Mummy, you can't come in that.
Well, obviously. I'm going to put something very special on for you in your big moment.
Thank you for making this happen, Mum.
Please don't hate me.
I don't. I couldn't. But I have to know about Millie.
Of course you do.
But earlier...
Well, I just feel for Jamie and Andrea, you know, what's coming. But that doesn't change what you have to do.
I have to know.
But the longer you leave it, the worse it will be for everyone. So find out if Millie's yours. But find out fast. Going in 5, Leo, OK?
Yeah.
So you're going to need Millie's DNA for this test, right? How are you going to get it? I'm not going to like this, am I?
Jamie trusts you, adores you, even. He'll let you near Millie. He won't think twice.
Jamie's my mate.
I know, and I'm desperate and out of ideas.
Graham, you're ex-army. I am just a vet. It's so unfair of you to put that on me.
Mom!
Yep, coming, Leo.
Please, just think about it. I wouldn't ask if I had another way. You're the best chance I have to prove she's my daughter.
Mom!
Yes, coming. Right, we need to go, otherwise we're going to miss the lights.
Ah, so this is where you've been hiding, Vicar.
Hiding? Doesn't sound like me.
And yet, here you are. And not a single one of my calls returned.
I'm the boss of the lights tonight.
Then I guess I'm your minion.
You are. Right, in you go. Get that bladder emptied before the big event. And it will be big, won't it, Harriet? The extra lights are all up, ready to dazzle.
Yep, all good to go.
Good. I paid for sensational lights. Stunning lights. Life-changing lights.
And they are life-changing.
Are you sure? From what I've seen out there.
Kim, when Millie flicks that switch, you'll see the bigger picture. And it's magnificent. And everyone will know it's because of you and your generosity. Oh, pass this round, please. It's been round the block more times than him.
Can't do this to Jamie. He's like you said, he trusts me. It's bad enough knowing what might be coming his way, but to lie to him, to steal his DNA? No. I'm not going to do it. Come on.
So, are you ready, Millie?
She is. Oh, we are.
Welcome, everyone.
Doesn't the sponsor get the mic? Come on, Millie, up you go. Welcome, everyone. Now, you're all here to witness something spectacular. Woo! And I am proud to have made that possible with my sponsorship of such a worthy, community-enhancing display.
Just switch him on.
Come on, switch
Yeah, all right, iPage, you can hear me out. Okay, settle down. On behalf of myself and our exciting new venture, Hawksford Outdoor Pursuits, please enjoy this year's Christmas illuminations. Hit it, Millie.
They're the same as last year.
What
I didn't put a single penny of your donation towards New Lights because we didn't need any. Instead, it's been spent on changing lives. 107 of them. People sleeping rough in Houghton. Your donation was the biggest the shelter had ever seen. Like I said, life-changing.
But you lied.
No.
You said you'd put up extra lights.
Yeah. Did.
Graham.
Don't be sorry.
I'm not.
I shouldn't have put you in such an impossible situation.
No, you shouldn't. I understand your desperation. I can't get involved. What will you do?
Figure it out. Like you said, needs doing sooner rather than later.